What's going on, Dodge Gang? We're back for another video, but yeah, this time, so here's what went down, okay? I tried to make a cochise type beat, didn't work out because various reasons, such as FL Studio crashing twice, such as me not knowing how the hell to make an up-tempo beat, because for some reason, I have this curse where I can only make dark sounding trap beats. But yeah, no, it was, you know, playable. You guys will see for yourself. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I got a brand new Instagram, okay? It's just, you know, it's a bit more personal. It helps you guys get to know more about what I'm doing in my life and stuff like that. Also, don't forget to join my Discord, because Discord, we're gonna get that popping again. Okay, back in the day, it used to be really lit. But yeah, no, don't worry. For sure, I'm gonna get that popping again. I live stream also Mondays and Fridays, 7 p.m. Eastern time, and I'm uploading on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Yeah, man, we're reviving the channel. We're back, all right, for real this time. No BS, all right? No more long breaks, none of that. We on our grind now, okay? Back to the road to 100K, man. Just getting into this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and let me just start. I'm gonna start this beat. Okay, I'm not gonna say what I'm gonna go for, because I'm gonna jinx myself. I might end up making something else completely different. So let me just, we're gonna get into something, trying to figure something out. We're just gonna, you know, do something, try and figure it out, and yeah, let's hope it comes out the way I think it's gonna come out in my head, which it probably won't, but you know, it is what it is. Killing it. Why does this sound like it's like heavier on one side? Yeah. Okay, 2 and 6 have plus 12. Oh my. I'm gonna have to retire doing 3, you know? I might have to retire doing 3. Alright, let's find the lead. Bro, I'm not dealing with this shit anymore. So much easier. See how quick that was? Like No, 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 no. Alright, cool. Let's add another freaking thing. No, that sounds goofy as hell. It sounds goofy as hell. I'm trying shit out now. I'm desperate. What the fuck was I gonna do? Too high.
All right, you know what? I'm leaving it there. I'm annoyed. Okay, the thing crashed. I was in the middle of working on something. This freaking FL Studio wanted to crash, but you know it is what it is. Yeah, just don't forget like the video, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, I got an Instagram, like the new Instagram now. It's, you know what I'm saying, you could just catch up on what I'm doing, all this stuff. And yeah, don't forget to join Discord because I'm trying to revive that now. And yeah, live streaming on Mondays and Fridays, uploading Tuesdays, Thursdays. And yes, get it. See y'all next time. Hopefully I can make a better beat, but yeah. Peace.